Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add someone on WhatsApp. Friends, due to any reason if you want to add a new contact directly through your WhatsApp messaging app, then you simply need to open your WhatsApp. In your WhatsApp, you need to press on the contact icon. In contact icon, you need to press on new contact. Here you need to add the contact details. Enter the name. Enter mobile number. Also enter the country code and press on save. Now your new contact is saved on your mobile phone, and to send a WhatsApp message you simply need to press on search, enter the name, and send the message. So friends, like this you can very easily add someone on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.